Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to ask the question, have you heard about what's happening at Livegood? That's right. Livegood is a fantastic nutritional supplement and self-care company based out of Jupiter, Florida. And they are approaching now close to 1 million members by the end of this year. Truly amazing. And I want to recommend to all my keto followers to follow this company and to purchase their products because they are keto, they're low carb, their ingredients are very, very top tier. And if you're looking for a little extra money, not only getting healthy, with their products, but also to make a little money on the side, this is a great, great business to be involved with. Are you looking for a side hustle that actually works for you? Well, this Livegood could be your solution. Dive into the Livegood Revolution, where simplicity meets profitability. Number one, Livegood gives you a done-for-you system. Say goodbye to the hassle of setting things up. With Livegood, you get a streamlined system, a simple link to share, a lead capture system, and an autoresponder emails, all set up and ready for you. It's hassle-free, letting you focus on what you do best. So if you want to start a wonderful business, this system that they have in place at Livegood can really move you to the next level and quickly. Number two, save and earn with Livegood's Buyers Club. Just invite people to join Livegood's exclusive Buyers Club at an incredibly low membership of $9.95 a month. It's not just about savings, it's about accessing top quality products at unbeatable prices. Who doesn't love to save money, right? Number three, earn as you grow. Every new member joining through your link isn't just a win for them, but also for you. Earn commissions as people become members on your team. As your referrals grow, so does your earnings. With additional overrides on the horizon, your earning potential keeps expanding. Be a part of something bigger with Livegood. You're not just earning, you're joining a community that's reshaping the way we think about our health, wellness, and financial freedom. Are you ready to kickstart your journey with the fastest growing side hustle out there? Click the link below my video and secure your position today with the Livegood family. You'll be glad you did. Again, this is Stu Weinstock. Any comments? Please let me know below my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am truly blessed when you do that. And thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Take good care. Bye-bye now.